Guys, kailangan natin maglaba today. And ito nasalang ko na yung bed sheets ko kasi kailangan kong labahan. And then kasi guys, parang uulan sa labas. So titingnan ko siya later. So sinalang ko na siya ngayon, and then yeah, after that, i-check ko later. Now guys, tini-check ko siya guys. Still 1 hour and 18 minutes. So, it's not ready yet. And it's still running the washer. So, I probably check in a little bit. So, see you guys. Guys, dito, mayroong restaurant na tinatawag na Lover Sleep. I don't know what it's meant, but somebody told me that para siyang it's designed for lovers. Lovers. And I show you guys our area. It's just only I'm just only touring, and going or headed to UPS. Later on, I'm gonna show you guys the fruit bowl. Yeah, so it's nice, our area here, and seems like it's gonna rain today, but it's fine. Yeah, ito na yung staples, and in 2 minutes we're already in UPS. Oh, meron siyang Asian garden. Yeah, ito ganda ng view. Para siyang it's foggy. It's foggy today. I don't know why it's foggy. Yeah. So very close now. In 1 minute. Fruit bowl, guys. Pasok tayo dito sa fruit bowl. Ito yung fruit bowl. Ayan siya, guys. Ang ganda. Ganda siya, guys. Ayan o. Ganda. Daming mga fruits. Siya, guys. Tayo sa mga daming mga mga candies. Guys, tayo sa fruit bowl. Din sila, meron din sila mga ito, jam, to, peach slices, tapos to, jalapeno eggs. Galing ito. Peach. Ito mukhang masarap. Ito, guys. Peach. Guys, niabot na ko. Gagan sa fruit bowl. Yan. So guys. Yun lang. Yun ang na-family. Bili ng mga mga kain. Saan ba yung Yeah. Ito. Yeah. Na guys. Ang nilabahan ko guys. Ito na siya guys. Aray na natin guys. Ito na guys. Ready na tong guys. Dryer. So mag-ano na tayo guys. Mag-dry. Lagyan natin sa sanitize. Then from there, yeah. So I'm gonna waiting for probably 20 minutes. And then I'm finished. Yan guys, kain na tayo guys. Tayo na. Since umuulan ngayon guys, malamig. So, gusto ko ng soup. Ito yung ko. Ito yung dinner. Yung dinner ko guys. Soup. Mag-soup tayo. Guys, ayun guys, ito. Naggawa ako ng chicken ramen. In my own version. Yan, chicken ramen. Yan siya guys. Chicken ramen. My own version. So, hindi ko na lang pinapakita ang the whole process. Pero ito yun, ginawa ko. Yung soup. Yan siya. Chicken ramen siya. Kain tayo guys. Sarap. Masarap. Maganda siya sa kasi ngayon umulan. Umulan siya guys. Kaya masarap ang sabaw.